Hare Krishna Prabhu. You mentioned about the six enemies that mentioned in the Bhagavad Gita about Kama, Krodha, Lobha. So, as per the Padma Purana, we have passed through 84 lakh species of life. So how does this affect us in our present life? All these enemies.
How does it affect?
In our present life. This Kama, Krodha, Lobha, all these six enemies we have encountered in our previous lives. And we have passed through, but the Padma Purana says we have passed through 84 lakh species of life. So how do these enemies impact us in our present life?
Every life it is impacting, till you become devotee. It is not that in this 84 lakh species, in that it is less Kama, less this thing, this. There are varieties of Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsarya. There are varieties. In the animal form it will be in one, in human form it will be one, among Jnanis it will be in another form. Among Sattvic people it will be in another form. So all these enemies are there at all so-called materially different levels of so-called evolved consciousness up to Brahma. Bhagavad Gita Krishna, Brahma Bhuvana Punaravartana Arjuna. It is not a one-way trip up to Brahma. Tak, you again come down. So this cycle goes on. So at all cycles, this is a rasa, that the living entity, this is a, see, when you get angry, you feel a sense of power, right? So it's a rasa. Oh, I shouted at him. It's a rasa. I got the courage to shout at him. It's a rasa. So in all species of life, we are drinking this poison rasa. The spirit person is drinking this poison rasa through this contaminated consciousness. So our goal is very clear. We have to end this. And end the negative. Alone is not enough. You have to understand this negative is because there is no positive. There is no surrender rasa. There is no rasa of being subservient to the Lord. There is no rasa of reciprocation from the Lord. There is no rasa of you having received the kindness of the Lord. All those things in bhakti rasa only will replace all these rasas. Grandharaj Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai. Vishwa Guru Srila Prabhupada ki jai.